Hello everyone, welcome to the Service Now Mastery Series. Today we will learn about how to create a new application, that is called the application. So till now we are working into our global application, but now it's time to learn how to create the custom or the scope application as per the client request. So basically two types of application in ServiceNow contain. One is the global, that is predefined, like incident, problem, knowledge, and the service catalog. Another is the custom application. So, as per the client request, we made it. So, today we will make an application which has the name of hotel booking request. So, it's a very much similar to the incident. The So to make a new application, what you have to do, you first have to come to personal developer instance. For creation of the new application, we have to come to menu bar and type studio. When you just type studio, so it will open like first launch a creator studio. You have to open it. When you just click on it, so we come to our creator studio of service now. When we just click on the creator studio, then this creator studio opens into the another window as a welcome page of creator studio. Then we click on the create application, then this window appears which has a description of enter a name and a description for this application. You can also choose an icon to identify the department or content of this application, right? So the name of the application which I want to keep it as hotel booking request, hotel booking, hotel booking request. Right, and the description I am not keeping it, but if you want or your client or stakeholder name the hotel ID and the scope name is already created by the service now. Then you what you have to do it then you have to click on the create application. So basically we'll wait for the uh, it will take us some time. Yeah, it's success. So after making the application from the creator studio on the dashboard, the top right corner studio. So there is Creator Studio as well, then the App Engine Studio and the ServiceNow Studio, Workflow Studio. So there are all the applications which is available in the studio, and you can use any of those to basically create the application. So we have seen as we can create the application through the creator studio. We can also create the application through the app engine. So this is the administration name. It's written here. Hi Rakesh, how do you want to get it started? So quick starter, you can also create the application. You can add an table, add an experience, add an automated workflow as well. Hotel booking request. See the hotel booking request application which we have made it through the creator studio. It's also been visible in the app engine studio as well. Next, we can also go to the page on the creator studio. We have seen an app engine studio next to the ServiceNow studio. So basically, this is a ServiceNow studio, and in the ServiceNow studio, um, we can also create the application or create the file. So if we click on the create application, then we can able to create the custom application. See it here. So these are the ways through which you can make the new application, right? Just click on the global icon, and as you can also see this globe icon outside this red color line, you can able to see, right? So this red color line means in this globe only the not only the global application is there, but also the custom application we have made it. So it's a sign to address that custom application has also been made. I want to go in the global application. So you can just click on it, and if you want to go to the hotel booking request, then also you can just click on it and type hotel booking request, and this application appears. Next is also you have to keep in your mind like a reminder of the. Next is how to create the new table in the application. Now, as you can see the incident, if you click on the incident, for example, I'll show you. When you click on the create new incident, then you can fill the incident. Okay, when I just click on right click on caller and click on configure dictionary, then yeah, you can see that this record is in the global application, but hotel booking request is the current application. To edit this record, click here. So while you click on the dictionary entry in the global application, like incident is incident module is in the global application, right? So you can't edit you can't edit the fields which is in the global application because you are currently logged in as a in the hotel booking request. So definitely there is all the fields configuration would become non-editable to you, right? Then you just go back. Okay, you can come here. Okay, maybe due to yeah, we have to log in again. Yeah, to create the new table in the application, this is the hotel booking request. So to create the table, as we have seen in our previous video, we have to type the table. And when we type on the table, we have to come to the system definition, and we have to find the tables, right? Here it is the system definition, and when you just click on the tables, then these all are the tables which is in the global application. But if you want the hotel booking request table into that application, so see application is already been mentioned as a HBR, and the label you can put it as a same hotel booking request only. It depends on you on or on your client needs. But if you want to keep it, then you have the liability to keep it. Next is the name. So name you can like it's automatically configured. It's automatically taken by the service now. The name and the expense table. If you want to in this hotel booking request, if you want to take any other table extension, then you can also select from the lookup list. Next is the create module. Create mobile module. Add a module to menu. If you want to add any module to the menu, you can also add into it. And next, a new menu name is a hotel booking request, which is the same as the label name. Next is the column controls and application access. If you want to make any columns, you can just click insert a new row. As we have seen this creation of the table, we have already seen in our previous video, right? So just click on the save button. Track in the update sets. I'll let you know what is the update sets and the functionality of the track in the update sets in our upcoming videos. So stay tuned for it. Next, when I just click on save, so these are the columns, right? Updated, created by these are the already predefined related links columns which is available. If you want to add a new, then what you have to do, you have to come to the related links and click on the show form or the show list. If you click on the show form, right? So as you can see, there is a no other field available. But if you want to configure the field, so configuring of any of the field in the form can be done through form layout or through form design or the form builder. So basically in the related links, some of the options are given like a design form layout. So you want to design the form, so you can also click on the form designer, right? Or the form layout also. If you want to create new fields, so you can click on the form layout, right? And Yes, this is the default view of the hotel booking request. So basically, first configure, I will do it as okay. I can make so many of the fields such as check-in date, checkout date, room type, number of the adults, hotel booking request for. So first, I will make it as a hotel booking request for field. So this is a person name. Like this is a reference, we can take the type as a reference, choose a field, reference field type, right? And the table to the reference is a sys underscore user because in that you have also seen the incident, right? In the incident, the caller or the affected user. So basically, this is the same as the affected or the caller user. We'll keep the name of the person for whom this hotel booking request is created for. For example, I'm creating it for the sys underscore user. So I just choose a sys underscore user table as a reference and I'll add it and I save it. So in this way, you can configure the table form. Yeah, and just to close it. Also, we have to take care that in the incident, some auto number or the specific number of the incident is there, right? So, what we have to do, we have to go to the controls and click on the like take the checkbox of the auto number and the hotel booking request, or you can choose the HBR hotel booking request, and 1007 digits of the number will be there, right? And you can click on save, right? And according to your stakeholder client needs or according to your needs, you can edit or you can add new fields through the form layout. This we already have seen, and this is the like the practice why I'm making an application, the small hotel booking request incident related application, because this is a kind of a practice for you as well. And in the next video I will show like uh, how many fields I have made it, and I also tell you like the path which I choose is say similar as to you form design or the form layout. I will show you in the next video that what type I chooses, like the reference type or the choice type in the next video. And similar to the incident field, you guys also have to make it and have to paste your application making in the comments. And basically, if you have any doubts, you can just contact me in the comment section and I will surely answer to your queries. Till then, stay tuned with me, subscribe my channel and hit the like button and share it to your friends who is looking for the ServiceNow course. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.